Hi, Daryl with Comfort Environment, Calgary Furnace Repair. I'm just showing a venting termination, which is kind of a little bit odd in the configuration, but you can see exactly where this is located. So originally this vent intake was right over here, and what happened last winter was this would exhaust and it would go down, and then it would take in air from the exhaust and freeze up. So we've modified it as well. This exhaust was sloping down, and we have it now sloping up, as you may or may not be able to see. And basically we should have no problems with freeze up this winter. So if your furnace or high efficient appliance is freezing up, I advise you to make sure that the exhaust to the intake, City of Calgary requires 12 inches, but we found that's not enough. We like to go 24 inches, and then you won't have any problems freezing up. Thank you very much. Daryl with Comfort Environment. Have a wonderful day.